Friends, in this session, application of derivative, we will see the exercise 6.1 solution. So question 1 is that find the rate of change of the area of a circle with respect to its radius r when r equals to 3 cm and r equals to 4 cm. So here radius equals to, we write r and area equals to a. Then we know that a equals to pi r square. Now area changes with respect to time, radius we want. So a differentiation with respect to r we take, then it is 2 pi r. And so now at 3 cm we want change, and dA by dr at r equals to 3 will be given by 2 pi into 3, which will be 6 pi centimeter, and dA by dr at r equals to 4 centimeter we want, then we can write that dA by dr at r equals to 4 centimeter is equals to 2 pi into 4, which will be 8 pi centimeter. Sorry, here area changes, the unit will be centimeter square per second, centimeter per second. The second question is given, the volume of cube is increasing at the rate of 8 centimeter cube per second. So how fast is the surface area increasing when the length of edge is 12 centimeter? So volume of cube is given, increasing rate is given, and the area increasing rate is we have to find out, and the length is given. So if length of edge we take as x, then volume of cube will be v equals to x cube. Then changing rate of v with respect to x we calculate, that is 3x square. Sorry, with respect to time we want. So with respect to 3x square dx by dt. So dv by dx dt is given 8, 3x square dx by dt. And so x changing rate with the respect to time is 8 by 3x square. Now we want the area changing rate. So area equals to area of cube, we have surface area is equals to a equals to 6x square. So area changing rate with respect to time will be 12x dx by dt. And so dx by dt we have 12x into 8 by 3x square. So x cancel, 3 4s are, and so it is 32 by x. Now x value is given 12 centimeter, so 12 we submit, then 32 by 12, which is 4 8s are, 4 3s are, and so 8 by 3 centimeters per square per second. Question 3, we have the radius of circle is increasing uniformly at the rate of 3 cm per second. So radius changing rate with respect to time dr by dr dt is given 3 cm per second. Find the rate of change area of the circle, and so dA by dt we have to calculate when r is equals to 10 centimeter. So we know that area of circle formula is pi r square, and so area differentiation with respect to time will be 2 pi r dr by dt, and so it will be 2 pi r 10, and dr by dt is given 3. So 6 to the 3 to the 6, 6 10 the 60 pi. Area is there, so unit will be centimeter square per second. Question 4, we have an age of a variable cube is increasing at the rate of 3 centimeter per second. So length of age is given x centimeter, then x changing rate with respect to time is given 3 centimeter per second. How fast is the volume of the cube increasing? Cube is increasing, means volume variation with respect to time we have to calculate. So we know that when x is equals to 10 centimeter, so we know that v equals to x cube for the cube, and so volume with respect to time derivation we take, then 3x square dx by dt is its differentiation. So values we submit, then 3x is the 10, so 10 square, and dx by dt is the 3, and so it will be 3 3 is 9 into 100, which will be 900 centimeter cube per second. Question 5, we have a stone dropped into a quiet lake and waves move in a circle at the speed of 5 cm per second. Now wave moves in the circle with 5 cm per second, means radius increasing, and so radius of the wave we take r, then dr by dt is equals to given 5 cm per second. At the instant when radius of a circular wave is 8 cm, means r equals to 8 cm, then how fast is the area increasing? So dA by dt we have to calculate. So now we know that wave are in the circular and area of circle formula is pi r square. So area differentiation with respect to time we take, then dA by dt equals to 2 pi r dr by dt. And so it will be, we submit the value 2 pi r8 and dr by dt is given 5. So 5 8 is 42 is 80 pi centimeter square per second. Now sixth question we have, the radius of a circle is increasing at the rate of 0.7 centimeter per second, means dr by dt is given 0.7 centimeter per second. What is the rate of increasing of its circumference? So circumference means dc by dt we have to calculate. So circumference of circle we know the formula 2 pi r. So with respect to time we take the differentiation, that dc by dt equals to 2 pi r dr by dt, 2 pi dr by dt. And so 2 pi into 0.7, which will give 1.4 centimeter per second. Question 7 we have, the length of a rectangle is decreasing at the rate of 5 centimeter. So length we take as x, then dx by dt is given minus 5 centi per minute, and the width y is decreasing at the rate of 4 centimeter per minute, increasing. So dy by dt is given 4 centimeter per minute. When x is equals to 8 and y is equals to 6, then find the rate of change of parameter. So we know that parameter of rectangle is 2 length plus breadth, so x plus y. And so with respect to time we take the differentiation, then dp by dt equals to 2 times dx by dt plus dy by dt. And so 2 times minus 5 plus 4, that is 2 into minus 1 means minus 2 centimeter per minute. Now here it is also said that the change of area, so area equals to length into breadth means x into y, and so dA by dt we take that it is x as it is dx by dt, dy by dt plus y as it is dx by dt. Now these values we submit, then 8 into 4 plus 6 into minus 5, and so it is 32 minus 30, which is 2 centimeter square per minute. Question 8, we have a balloon which always remains spherical on inclination is being inflated by pumping is 900 centimeter cube per second, means the volume of balloon changes at the rate of 900 centimeter cube per second. As we fill the air, the volume will increase, and so inclination rate means the changing of volume rate. Now find the rate at which radius increases. So dr by dt we have to calculate. For that, r is given 15 centimeter. So now balloon is the spherical, and volume of sphere we know that 4 by 3 pi r cube. And so with respect to time we take the differentiation, then dv by dt equals to 4 by 3 pi into 3 r square dr by dt. So 3 cancel, and so dv by dt value we submit 900 by 4 by r square equals to dr by dt. And so we can take dr by dt equals to 900 upon 4 pi into 15 square, which is 2 to 5. So 2 to 5 4 za, and 4 cancel, so it is 1 by 5 centimeter per second. Now question 9, we have a balloon which always remains spherical has a variable radius, means radius is changing. Find the rate at which its volume is increasing, means dv with respect to radius dr we have to find out. When the radius is 10 centimeter, and so volume of sphere 4 by 3 pi r cube, and so with respect to radius we take the differentiation, it is 4 by 3 pi 3 r square. So 3 cancel, so it is 4 pi r square. R value we submit 10 and 10 square, so it is 4 pi into 100, it is 400 pi.